Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another Zara haul. So I got this yesterday and I can't wait to show you guys. So anyways, I'm also gonna do a try on the last part. So first I'm just gonna show you what I got, and then if you want to see what it looked like on me, then keep on watching. So first things first, here is this pants, this high-waisted I believe they call it trousers. So I got the color, it looked like cream beige, and it has this huge belt. So my friend went with me, and the the fitting room is closed. I think all the fitting room are like they shut it down, or like they just don't open it because they, you know, of COVID. But I was trying to put this on, you know, because I was wearing leggings yesterday, and she was like, just try it on, like, you know, just try it on. Like, I see some people, they try their clothes on. So I'm just like, I'm gonna give it a shot. So I tried it just like literally on one leg, and then I didn't put my other leg because I saw, like, I think the Zara workers just like looking at us. So I actually fit this yesterday night, and thank God it fits, and it's my size. And this is like $49.90. So yeah, that's the price, and I got the size large. So yeah, I was gonna get the black one, but it was like, you know what, I have another trousers that are already black, so I'm just gonna get this cream beige. But I got this instead. But yeah, these are really cute, all the way up. Yeah, this is all the way up to my ankle. So I got this one. So I'm just gonna set this aside. All right, so next one is, okay, so next one is this, I don't know how you call this, but it's this long sleeve shirt. It's not a shirt, but it's this long sleeve, and it's a rib, the rib right there. And I don't know the color, I cannot think. It's like a really light creamy nude, like very light very nude. And I got also the size I got extra large because I want it more baggy. So I got the extra large, and they're like $35.90. That's the price. And I got the extra large. So since it's fall, and I think this is in again, so I want to give it a shot. And you can pair this with like leggings, or you can pair it with like black high-waisted pants. I think I do have high-waisted black pants. I have to look at it because I think I had got two from H&M or Forever 21. But yeah, I can't wait to style this as well. So yeah, it's just a long top, like doesn't even look like a crop top, but yeah, that's that. All right, so okay, next I got two bodysuits, and this bodysuit is, I got it on the size medium, and this is like the padded shoulder bodysuits. And of course I got the color brown. It looked like burgundy on the camera, but in real life they're like brown. They're like creamy brown color. And I got the size medium on this one, and they're $25.09, which is like almost like just 26 bucks. So yeah, it has like padded here, right there. So it's like a bodysuit, and I really like the material. It's very soft. It's very soft. I like it. So yeah, that's that, which is this one, because I like it. It's fall, and I like brown nude. I just love it. All right, so the next bodysuit, I feel like I have everything now. I have the black one, the brown one, the sky, I think it's like baby blue, and then now I have this. I know they actually have the white one and also lilac color, but I didn't get those just because I hate wearing white. I was wearing white yesterday, and I don't know, I hate wearing white because as much as I like wearing them, I just hate them because like there's stains. Like I don't do well with whites. so I didn't get the white bodysuit and the lilac because I like the color, like the pastel color, but I just can't see myself wearing the pastel bodysuit. Plus it's already like fall, so I just got this instead. I don't know why I look red in a camera, but it's like a burgundy color. Yeah, it's a burgundy color. Everybody has this bodysuit, I swear. Yeah, so it's really nice and it's really soft as well. And this is $19.90, which is, I also got in the size medium. So that's that. I really like these bodysuits, guys. Like, I love them, especially the black and the nude one. They're like my go-to bodysuits. And also, last but not least, is I got a, oh my god, when I saw Zara, because I keep looking at the Zara try-on haul, and I forgot her name, but she was wearing this dress, like a turtleneck dress, and it's all the way, it's gonna be up to almost to your ankle, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 inches more to your ankle. But you guys, this is a dress, and they're $17. They're a little bit cheaper, $17.90, and I got the size medium, and I got the color brown. They do have the green and also the black one, but I already have so many black dresses. I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna just get the brown one because it's fall, like I said, and the green is look like a dirty green color. So I'm just gonna get this for now, and if I like how it fits and look on my body, maybe I'll get the green one, but I'm not gonna get the black ones just because I have so many black dresses like already. So I wish they come out with gray or even like really dark brown material, even like this kind of color. I would like, you know, buy them. But yeah, this is brown dress, and it's rib. It looks very stretchable. So yeah, I can't wait to try this on. So that's how it looks like, and let's go on a try on part.